Hey everyone, you're welcome to the first series on fundamental and derived quantities and units. So we have the first question on the board. So let's quickly look at the question together. The question says, which of the following physical quantities are derived? Of course, anytime you have questions on fundamental and derived quantities, the first you want to do is to bring out your 7 basic fundamental quantities, which I have as LMT, length, mass, time. Then we have temperature, electric current, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. So now let's check. So let's identify the one that is not derived, that is fundamental. We have area, pressure, crust, and mass. Of course, we have mass here. So mass is what? Fundamental, okay? Now we don't have length here, we don't have time, we don't have temperature, we don't have electric current, we don't have what? Amount of substance, we don't have length. So what it means is, okay, the question says which of the following physical quantities are derived. So this is derived, this is derived, this is derived. So our solution to this problem should be 1, 2, and 3 only. So let's check. We have B here, which says 1, 2, and 3 only. So B is the correct answer to this. Hi everyone, you're welcome once more to the first series on fundamental and what derived quantities. So we have a question on the board here with what we learned on fundamental and derived quantities. We are going to use that knowledge to be able to answer this question. So the question says, which of the following is a fundamental quantity? All you need to do is you want to list out your fundamental quantities starting from length down to luminous intensity. So we have LMT, the first 3 most important, length, mass, what, time. Then we have temperature, we have electric current, amount of what substance, and luminous intensity. So let's check if we can find any of these here. I can observe we have this is length, okay? So which of the following is a fundamental quantity? Already from this, we have seen that there is length here. So this gives us the solution to this problem. Hi guys, welcome to question number 2 on this series on fundamental and derived units. So the question says, which of the following is a derived unit? So the first thing you want to do is you want to bring out all your what? Fundamental what? Quantities and units. So I have it as LMT, then T, E, A, what? L. Okay? Okay, so length we know is what? Meter. So we have this as length, okay? Mass is what? Kilogram, okay? So this is for what? Mass. Okay, time is for what? Second. So this is for what? Time. Okay. What about temperature? We have Kelvin, okay? So let me write it Kelvin. Electric current is ampere. And we have electric current here, E for ampere. Okay, this is for what? Mole. And this is for what? Candela. So whenever you are given problems like this, you want to identify your what? Your fundamental what? Quantities and what? Units. Okay. So once you identify, you can be able to know the answer. So the correct answer to this problem is what? Our option B, which is what? Coulomb. Because Coulomb is what? A derived what? Unit. Alright? Welcome to the fourth question on the fourth series of fundamental and derived quantities. So the question reads, which of the following is a derived unit? Okay, all you need to do is you want to list out your fundamental what? Quantities, okay, or units. And with that, you can be able to get your answers. So our 7 fundamental quantities are what? Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. Then we know for length we have is meter, mass is what? Kilogram, time is what? Second, Temperature is what? Kelvin. Electric current is ampere. Amount of substance is mole. And we have for aluminum intensity as candela. So with this, we can be able to get our answer. So which of the following is a derived quantity, rather a derived unit? So we can see that ampere is here, is fundamental, right? Kilogram is here, okay, it's fundamental. Okay, second is here, is fundamental. Kelvin is here, is fundamental. So the correct option to this problem is D. So this gives us the correct answer to this problem. Hello guys, so you're welcome to the fifth question on this first series of fundamental and derived quantities and units. Alright, so we have a question on the board which reads, which of the following is a fundamental quantity? So all you need to do is you want to list out the 7 basic fundamental quantities. So let's do that. So we have the first 3 important ones, which is length, mass, and time. Then we have temperature, electric current, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. After bringing this down, it becomes very easy for us to identify our answer. So ampere is for electric current. This is a unit for electric current, okay? And we are not looking at the unit, we are looking at quantity. Now electric current is here, E, okay, is electric what? Current. So without coming further, it means our B gives us the correct option to this problem. Alright, thank you guys for watching this series. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and share, this channel to somebody, the link of the channel to somebody that it may be of help to. Alright, when it comes to physics. Alright, I'll see you guys in our second series on fundamental and derived quantities and units. Bye.